A great exercise for your glutes is a glute bridge. So some people, when they do a glute bridge, which I'll demonstrate for you, find it too easy because they've got a strong butt. Okay? This is a glute bridge. Squeeze your butt cheeks together. You come up, hold it briefly at the top. Get as high as you can and come back down, tap the ground, come up. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. The cue when you're doing both legs together is to imagine that each time you come down, you grab a $100 bill in between your butt cheeks and you squeeze them together and you pick it up. And every time you come up, you get another $100, okay? Bit crude. I got that one from Dr. Stuart McGill, but it works. You'll remember it. Now, so I may find this too easy. So what I could do is I could do a hip thruster, which means I could have my back, let's say, on the side of a couch to increase the range of motion. And if that was too easy, I could hold a weight on my waist to make it harder. Or from just down here, I can use one leg at a time. Now remember, proper glute bridge is when I come all the way up so that my body is a straight line. If you put a dowel rod on my knee to my chest, you find it would touch at the knee, at the hip, and at the chest, okay? Or at least it would be very close at the hip. You don't want to be like only halfway up here. If you're only able to come up that much on a two-legged hip thruster, you're not strong enough to try this one. But a single-leg hip thruster is simply, I take one leg off the ground and again, up, high as I can go. Up, and I'm following the same cue. I'm imagining grabbing a $100 bill each time. Breathe out, hold it for a sec, come down, tap the ground. Notice I'm coming down nice and slow. Okay, I'm not falling down. Coming up, coming down nice and slow, so I'm allowing the glutes to work as I'm lowering myself down, okay? So that's a single leg hip thruster, or glute bridge. You do the prescribed number on one side, and then do the prescribed number on the other side. If you notice that you're weak on one side versus the other, then as you try to progress it, what you do is you start with the weak side, do as many reps with proper form, remember proper form, as you can, do only that many on the stronger side, and then each week try and increase the number of reps on the weak side until you're able to equal the stronger side. And if you find you can't get there, you find you're not progressing, talk to your trainer about it, and again, he or she will help you out. Okay, so that's a single leg glute bridge.